guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's get on to the video. Today we're going to be making slime. We're going to make unicorn slime, so like a little batch of pink, a little batch of blue, a little batch of pink. Let's get on to the video. Okay, I'm making slime in the UK, so I'll get my glue from the works. The CPD glue.
So she's pouring it into the box. Maybe let's move the shaving foam out of the way.
That's enough. We're going to be mixing all these slimes at the end and our pre-made ones that I've made.
These are the pre-made ones. The pink one is mine and it's got some like glitter kind of stars in them. And then the purple one is Sarah's.
Okay, that's simple.
Now she's adding some shaving foam to make it more fluffy. Then she's going to mix them together. Do you want to add some food colouring?
Yeah. Okay, and guys, I'm going to make blue first.
So she's going to get blue food colouring.
Blue or purple, it depends.
Yeah.
Nah, I want to make purple.
Okay, so we've got purple. So, adding some purple food colouring.
Since I've added a lot of shaving cream, you have to add like lots of food colouring.
Yeah, you've got to add lots. So depending on how much you've added, that's how much you've got to add then. So that's getting kind of purple. So that's the same colour we used on this purple one. So,
and I used scented lotion to make it like scented.
This is the scented lotion.
I use Nivea.
Cherry Blossom, a jojoba oil.
I think the unicorn's poop, is meant to be like dark purple.
Yeah, so she's getting quite a lot of food colouring in there. Oh, that's dark.
Okay, going good so far. Okay guys, I'm back and I just mixed it a lot because I wanted the colours to be like perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to measuring. I add the borax little at a time because I don't want it to be gooey, don't want it to be too sticky. That's 2 teaspoons.
That's not a teaspoon actually.
It is a teaspoon,
it's
guys.
An eighth of a teaspoon.
Okay. As you can see, it gets a little bit stringy, but that don't matter. Guys, this is not my only time that I've made slime, by the way, just in case. I'm just new to making it with borax. Borax is a chemical, so I would recommend an adult helping. Okay, look, it's getting made, guys.
So now Sarah is going to knead the slime.
Okay, I need to.
Gonna mix it and then she's gonna knead
Guys,
it.
go watch my last video. It was about me opening slime boxes and it was very good. And my cousin's video. She's doing the other 3. Ooh, it's getting a bit slime puffy. And guys, do you think it's good for you?
We'll put our links down below.
Yeah. Okay, my hands are covered in food and paint.
Guys, just ignore the noise. It's just like, it's just my cousin playing downstairs.
The neighbourhoods.
Yeah.
Okay, I leave it to set because I did that last time and it worked.
So I'll go put it with the other ones. No, I really want to touch it.
I'll go put it down here. Okay, now next to the next one. Okay, this one's going to be pink, but I'm going to add red just because like red and shade.
Yeah, because this colour was actually meant to be a dark red, but it didn't turn out. So let's go back.
I think that's
The video.
Never mind that, guys.
Okay, so we're going to keep talking so you guys can hear our voice instead of their voices. So she's just added some glue and shaving foam.
Adding shaving foam is so cool.
Sorry, not that.
Oh! Whoopsies. Because that's just me sometimes. I just do that. I don't know why.
So it looks like red when it comes out, but it's not actually red. So you know the purple?
It goes to like lavender.
Yeah.
Because this paint is not strong. So
If I move the glue
start stirring.
and that out.
See, look, guys, it's turning pink.
Yeah.
It's just the colour that I needed. It turns like strawberry kind of pink. You guys can see that? Guys, if you guys are wondering why I'm using this pan, because like if you don't want to touch the bulk, like the slime that's there, just hold the pan. Just slime like that. Guys, comment down below if I do like a full video about slime smoothies. All the slimes that I have, I'll be mixing them all with my cousin. Hey. Adding my teaspoon. Well, it's an 1/8.
Yep, I was right. A proper teaspoon is, let me see.
Oh no! Look, you can still see the red. Guys, look. It's getting stringy. Okay, I need it now.
This is a proper teaspoon.
Guys, comment down below if you've ever made slime. I'm just wondering.
Maybe post a picture on your Musical.ly to us.
Yeah, we put our music down in the description if you did not see them in our last video. This activator is really strong, by the way, guys.
It's borax with water, that's what makes activator.
You can't really get borax if you're in the UK.
Yeah, but you can get them at Etsy.com.
Like you get like the sprays, but I never got the spray. I got it. You can also get it. Okay.
If you watched our last video and you were wondering how we got the green background from green to white, we didn't paint it. We had a cloth, kind of. It was like a really big cloth. And we had like it over the background.
Yeah, and we ripped part of the wall.
Yeah. Oh.
But it did not really matter because like nobody noticed yet. Okay, guys, comment down below if you start pranks on our family. I think that'd be quite cool.
Yeah.
This slime is so soft.
Let's feel that.
And it smells so nice.
Let's feel that.
Yeah. Right, let me do it all. Okay, guys. My hands are going to look a bit cringe. I'm going to do ASMR at the end, just if you guys wanted to see it. I hope it don't touch the picture. Well, you can see the ball got different textures.
Yeah.
That one's going to smell. And guys, got my blue paint now. Guys, I'm using different paints because I don't really have any more blue.
Okay, guys, you know how it works. So, in the next video, in the next part, we will see you guys later, and we will show you at the end when we mix our slimes together. Hey guys, we're back, and we have just finished all making slime. So now we are going to mix them. Let's go. So first we're going to mix the blue with this baby kind of pink.
Okay, wait. I'm going to do it. And then I'm going to do like this. Is my baby color. Okay.
Hey. So.
Okay.
What? Yay! Woo. Now I'm going to have a go with it.
Hold it.
Whoa, that is so
God, it
cool,
looks
guys.
kind of marbly.
Yeah, it's very cool. I don't know. We don't even know who's going to keep it at the moment.
Probably going to have half off. I don't
Yeah.
know. Imagine.
Probably going to go. Oops.
Guys, she's from her own YouTube channel. She has her own one.
Yeah, I'm going to do exactly the same on my own YouTube channel, so make sure to follow me.
Guys, I'm going to make a big batch, and then maybe in my next video I'm going to show you guys it.
Make sure to subscribe and like the video. If you don't subscribe and we don't get to 50, if she doesn't get to 50 subscribers, then we're not going to do big batch. So make sure you get to 50 subscribers.
Okay, this pink one's very wrecking up. I don't know, it's pink one. I don't have it. Okay, it's got mostly purple.
Yeah, so
It's really...
now I'm going to take the slime off the video and Sarah's going to say bye-bye to you.
Okay. Guys, I hope you had a fun time today.
That
Bye!
concludes the video.